In this video, I'm going to talk about how to earn money on Opay. Basically, there are different ways in which you can use to earn money on Opay app. The first one, which of course I noticed that is saving money with Opay, and you're going to be earning some interest for doing just that. Let's say, for example, there are some money I already fixed on my Opay app under the savings with the finance section right there. Just click, if I click on saved right here and click on fixed, you're gonna see how much interest I've actually earned saving money on Opay app. You can see these are my savings currently. You can see how much interest I will be able to earn on each of these savings that I made, which of course it's also money, because I can actually put or keep this money on other local bank, and maybe they will even be removing my main money, but instead of that, I'm able to earn more money through the Opay app. You can see saving 25,000 for some days, then I'm earning 154 naira. The second one 739 naira, and the third one right here is 1,612 21 naira. So you can see how much I've been able to make right here. Another option, which of course you can also use to earn money, is by referring people to register Opay, and then you're gonna be able to earn money from people that you refer to Opay. You can see refer a friend right here. If you refer a friend to join Opay, you'll be able to earn up to 3,000 naira. You can see right here. Once you refer one person, you'll be able to earn 800 naira, and if you refer two people, you will get 1,800 naira, and if you refer three people, you will get 3,000 naira. And to send an invitation, you can see share invitation link to people who you believe they actually want to join Opay, and then you'll be able to earn some interest. And currently, I haven't been able to earn any interest from doing this because I have not referred or tried to invite anyone to join Opay. But maybe I will try this very soon, like inviting people to join Opay, and then maybe I'll be able to earn some commission doing that. Another way, which of course you can also use to make money from Opay, is that you can start purchasing airtime for people and data. So if I click on airtime right here, you can see if I try to buy 15 naira airtime, I'm gonna get 1 naira cash back. If I try to buy airtime of 2 naira, I'm gonna get 2 naira cash back. And you can see it's go on and on and on like that. If I try to purchase a data, I'm gonna also earn some cash back. You can see scroll down right here. If I purchase 650 MB for 200 naira, I'm gonna get 6 naira cash back. You can see this happen every time, compared to if you try to load money from other banks where you won't get anything in return. So this really make it more amazing for you to earn money in different ways on Opay app.